quick, click the link below first, because if you have State Farm, this could save you hundreds. Today, we're breaking down two big names in car insurance, ERIE and State Farm, so you can figure out which one actually makes sense for you. Because spoiler alert, the answer is not the same for everyone. Let's start with the basics. State Farm is the biggest auto insurer in the country, available in 48 states, with a massive agent network and a solid mobile app. ERIE, on the other hand, is a regional player, only available in 12 states plus DC. But don't let that fool you. When it comes to price, it gets interesting. Most large-scale data shows State Farm averaging around $82 a month, while ERIE comes in closer to $100. But, and this is a big but, if you're a teen driver or someone with less than perfect credit, ERIE can actually be way cheaper. We're talking ERIE at around $2,400 a year versus State Farm at $3,500 for drivers with poor credit. That is a huge difference. Now, claim satisfaction? ERIE wins, and it's not even close. ERIE ranked number 1 in J.D. Power's claims satisfaction study with a score of 743, well above the industry average. State Farm is solid too, but ERIE takes the crown here. Where State Farm pulls ahead is digital convenience. You can file a claim through their app in minutes. With ERIE, you'll need to call your agent, which some people actually love, but it's worth knowing. ERIE also has some really cool extras, like rate lock, accident forgiveness, and even pet injury coverage. State Farm counters with more discount options and a great telematics program called Drive, Safe, and Save. So here's the bottom line. If ERIE is available in your state and you want top-tier claim service with flexible coverage, it is absolutely worth a look. If you need nationwide coverage and love managing everything digitally, State Farm is a strong choice. Either way, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer and see exactly what you could be saving. Don't leave money on the table.